Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Cozy Does It. My name's Beth, and I'm really glad that you stopped by my channel today. So today it is Tuesday, December 19th when I'm filming this, and tomorrow we are heading out for a trip to Southern Florida. We will be visiting Key West and then family in West Palm Beach. So I'm going to be packing for this trip in this video. I will show you how I pack these bags behind me, and I'm just waiting on a couple of items to come out of the dryer. So once those are done, I will show you how I pack everything in these bags and give you some insight into some of the items that I bring on a trip with me to ensure that I'll be comfortable both on the plane and at my destination. So I'm excited to do another one of these packing videos. My first video ever was a packing video, and I'm just excited to get started. I am also taking this trip while I'm doing the fall cycle of Project 333. We're at the tail end of that cycle. If you don't know what Project 333 is, please take a look at my other videos for my fall capsule wardrobe and my winter capsule wardrobe. When I was planning my fall Project 333, I did need to account for this trip that we were taking despite it being colder temperatures up where we live. So I did need to plan for some of these warmer weather days for this trip that we're taking to Florida. So I'm gonna go check if the laundry is done and then we will get started. All right. So I just want to briefly talk about the bags that I use primarily when I travel. I do use these bags other times except for my suitcase, but these bags are my black day pack, my Red House crossbody, which I can't say enough good things about, and then my away suitcase. Sometimes I do opt for a travel backpack, but I feel like as I'm getting a little bit older, it feels better to have less weight on my shoulders when I'm traveling and making my way through the airport and to the hotel. So these are the bags that I have been traveling with lately. And on the airplane, you're allowed one personal item and one carry-on. We do travel carry-on only. As you see, I have 3 bags here, but my handbag, I always either will fill with things and stick it in my day pack or just leave enough room for my pretty empty handbag to go at the very top of what I pack inside my day pack. I will show you shortly how I pack these bags. And then just a side note, I do use packing cubes to keep my items organized in my suitcase, and I do use shoe bags to protect my clothes from getting dirty from the shoes that I pack in my bag. All right. Okay, so my items are out of the dryer. I have put everything that I plan to bring on the bed here, and I know it looks like a ton of stuff, but I know that this will all fit in my bag. And then also behind me, let me just show you the items that go in my handbag and in my day pack. So on the left are the items that will go in my day pack. This includes my electronics, including my laptop charger and my headphones. I also bring a set of AirPods since my phone doesn't have a headphone jack, but the airplane usually just has traditional headphone jacks. So I bring a pair for Mike and for myself, and I just stick those in my day pack. I've also got my toiletry items here. So I have all of my liquids in my 3-ounce bottles. I have my toothpaste, lipstick, any medication I have. And then I also have my toothbrush, floss, retainers, razor, an extra razor head, and deodorant. And then over here, I have my water bottle and umbrella, which will go in the side pockets of my day pack. And then the items that will go in my handbag, including my wallet, keys, a phone charger, and then tissue packs. One important thing that I wanted to note, if you are going to a vacation where the beach has a coral reef, try to use a Reef-Safe sunscreen. So it'll say reef conscious or reef safe on the bottle, but mainly the ingredients that you want to be sure it doesn't have are oxybenzone and octinoxate, because these ingredients have been found to bleach coral reefs. So just be conscious. You want to pay attention to being positive for the environment while you're traveling and keeping your skin safe from sun damage. So sunscreen, very important. Please make sure it is reef safe. Next, I am going to put all the stuff on the bed into packing cubes, and then once they're in the packing cubes, I'll show you how I fit them into my suitcase. So far this is what I've got packed in my packing cubes. So I have all of my shirts and sweaters in this cube here. I am trying to bring more festive sweaters, which is why it's so bulky. I was able to fit pretty much everything in there, and I decided not to bring one shirt that I usually wear under my black and beige printed dress. I have my socks and undergarments in here, and then I have my swim and a pair of shorts and a little bralette to wear with my black and beige dress, just because I've worn this dress so much that it's just become a little bit low cut, and I just want to be comfortable while I'm wearing that. In this cube here, I have all of my sleep and loungewear and my travel slippers. I'm bringing my own washcloth and my own towel for my pillow. So I always sleep with a towel on my pillow, and I know that's weird and whatever, but it started from just using one to sleep when my hair was wet, but just became something that
makes me more comfortable, so I always have a towel with me that goes on my pillow. Judge me as you will. That's just how it goes. I have my 2 pair of pants, which I'm gonna fold differently, and I will lay them on top of the packing cubes once they're compressed. As you can see, they're a little bit overflowing, but once I zip them shut and then put them under the compression sleeve in my suitcase, you'll see how much it shrinks down. So I will go over the items that are over here once I have my suitcase packed with these packing cubes, and I'll talk through how the rest of these items are going to fit in the bag. So here's what my suitcase looks like when it's packed with those packing cubes I just showed you. As you can see, I have plenty of room in the top left side in the zipper compartment. I have compressed all of those other packing cubes you saw, and this is what it looks like now. And I'm just gonna lay my pants across the top of that compression sleeve. And I just fold my pants in like a tri-fold fold so that they fit across the width of my suitcase. All right, over here we have my shoe bag for my flip-flops. And then I've got my baseball cap and tote and my laundry bag, jewelry case, and brush. Those are all gonna go in that extra space in my suitcase. And then here I have my outfit for the plane, which is just my other pair of black jeans, and then my black modal mock neck t-shirt and my denim jacket. And then I think I'm just gonna fold my rain jacket and put it in my day pack. Let me pack this stuff up and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished. So there you have it. I'm packed and ready to go. I have my brown boots that I'm going to be wearing on the plane and my denim jacket draped over my suitcase handle there. Everything did fit. I did opt not to bring that one shirt, but everything else is in that suitcase. And I was able to fit my raincoat in my suitcase, so that's what I decided to do. So there we go.
So I did just want to talk about some of the items that I take with me to be comfortable on the flight. These items are primarily to stay hydrated, have my skin stay moisturized, and to have some kind of temperature control when it comes to how cold the plane can get. So the first item I'll start off by saying is my denim jacket, which I have behind me. Usually I'll have my denim jacket or my winter coat or a scarf to stay warm enough on the plane for when it does get particularly cold when you reach those high altitudes. My next items that I will say are items that go in my liquids bag going through security, but that I transfer over to my day pack top pocket for the flight. These items are my hand lotion, my chapstick, and then my hand sanitizer. Also, I always make sure to fill up my empty water bottle after going through security so that we can stay hydrated on the plane. Items that I find really important for when I get to my destination in order to feel more at home are my travel slippers, my towel for my pillow, just because it's something I've become accustomed to after using it to go to sleep with wet hair. It's a weird thing, I know, but it's something that I do, so judge me, but don't judge me. Also, I feel like any kind of comfortable lounge sweatshirt or lounge robe is really helpful to feel at home while I'm traveling. Even though it takes up a little bit of extra space in my suitcase, I find that it's worth it once I get to my destination to have that comfort of home with me. So I just wanted to wrap up this video and say that I hope that you liked this video. If you did like this video, please hit that subscribe button down below. I'd also love if you would leave me a comment or give me a big thumbs up for this video. I would love to read your comments. As always, thank you so much for stopping by. It's been so great having you. If you do celebrate Christmas, I hope you had a very Merry Christmas yesterday, and I wish you and your family a very Happy New Year. And I just want to sign off by saying I hope that you have a really cozy day and cozy rest of your week, and just finish off the year as best as you can. And yeah, so bye, everybody.